Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Vaishak, you called yesterday about Vaishak. Right. So yesterday's morning, everyone completed.
Yes, sir.
Right. So today we will see if-else conditions. If-else conditions. So write the syntax if-else conditions. Syntax for if-else conditions. If condition open brace, close brace. Here we will write the statements. Here we will write the statements. Else open brace, close brace. Inside we will write the statements. Inside we will write the statements. See what will happen here, whatever you are giving condition, if it is true, here the condition is true. Here the condition is true, then execute statement 1. Let's say statement 1 I'm taking. Statement 1 will execute. If this is not true, what will happen? Statement 2 will execute. Statement 2 will execute. If true or false conditions, kind of true or false condition. If whatever you are giving condition is true, then it will execute statement 1. If condition is false, what will happen? If condition is not satisfied or condition is false, then immediately it will go to else part, else condition. Everyone clear? Syntax? Everyone clear? If else condition. Yesterday's example we saw only if conditions. Now we are seeing if else conditions. Right. Example 1. We will write one program.
Sir, if you don't mind, explain the fourth and fifth assignment of give the yesterday. Some doubt in there.
You tried or not?
Yeah, right.
Share me your screen. Let me give this example. After that, you share and show me where you are stuck in. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Write down my first example. Who is that? Who asked that one?
It's me, Vaishak, sir.
Okay. If city is Hyderabad, then set salary as 50K and bonus as 5K. Bonus as 5K. Otherwise, if city is other than Hyderabad, then salary as 30K and bonus as 10K. Bonus as 10K. Yeah. Hey, this one, everyone. You need to use if else conditions. You need to use if else conditions. So what is the requirement here? If city is Hyderabad, then set salary variable as 50K, bonus as 5K. If city is other than Hyderabad, set salary as 30K and bonus as 10K. Just try this one. Writing part everyone completed? Just confirm me.
Yes. Yes.
Right. Vaishak, you can share now. You can share the screen. Others can try this example.
Sorry, sir, I can't share. That's why.
Hmm?
Because sir, I can't share my screen because my system not supported
Then how can I
my Microsoft Team because it's
correct?
7. OS is
How
7.
can, how can I help you without sharing the screen? Tell me.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, I tell you the syntax is if it is correct.
You send me
Understood.
details through Notepad. Okay.
Okay. Oh,
Send me the programs. You send me through Notepad. I will check that one. Where you did a mistake, I will correct
okay.
answer. I will send it to you. Okay, that is better.
Yeah. Sir, the doubt is nothing but experience is given to the decimal. Is that correct?
Correct.
Hmm?
Decimal experience is decimal. Correct.
Okay. Then before if condition, I will give the experience greater than
Variables you have to declare. Variables you have to declare.
declared. Okay. Experience greater than 5 or
Which
if
example? Which example you are asking?
if experience is more than 5 years, then set salary as 30 lakhs and bonus as
Experience is okay. If
experience is more
experience
than
is more than 5 years, then set
then
salary
set
as
salary
30K.
as 30 lakhs and bonus as 5K.
Okay, whatever it is.
Mm,
See how to write the condition. See this is not for this one. This is previous example I am writing. Don't think this one has same. Others. Right.
okay.
See, Vaishak,
Okay, sir.
experience greater than 5 years. Okay.
Okay.
Experience greater than 5 years. Set salary. Salary as how much? 30K, right?
It's okay.
30,000. 30,000 I'm assigning. And one more, what is that? Bonus. Bonus
Mm-hmm.
as how much we have to set? 5,000, correct?
5,000.
This is what you have to do. Before that, you need to declare these variables. You need
Okay.
to declare these variables. The experience generally 5.5, 5 like that we will take. No, that's why I will take as a decimal. Okay,
Decimal.
decimal experience, one variable I declared. Then salary also, it's a decimal only, right?
Okay.
Salary. Okay, comma separated you can give because same data
Okay.
type only. No?
Allaria. Okay. I think
Salary and bonus also take as a, this one only. Okay,
Okay.
bonus
It's
also we will take as a, because this is also decimal only, right?
Okay.
Now you are setting experience equal to 6 years I'm giving. This
Okay.
condition will fail. Greater than 5 means this condition will be true. Then it will set
Okay.
salary 30,000 and bonus is 5,000 and you are trying to print these values. So what we have to do, system.debug of these values we are going to print these variables directly. Salary.
Okay. But I wrote it the same, but getting a null result is a null.
I think you need to set this experience as a 6 you given or how much you given. You are checking the condition 5. Don't give 5.
Experience is equal to 6.
6 you given. Experience 6 you given.
Okay. Is a system.debug salary. That's enough, huh?
That's enough.
Salary and system.debug bonus. Okay. Okay.
Now working.
It's fine. Okay. Sir, next one is a set a date today, close date as today.
Last date as today. First name, that one, huh?
If the stage name is closed on, then set the close date as today and type as new customer.
If you
Date,
need to check
variable date.
If stage name equal to what
It's
condition
okay.
we have to check?
Closed on.
What condition? Closed one. Okay. And if closed one means what we have to set? Closed date.
Close date as today.
Close date equal to today's date. System dot today.
Today.
And type what we told?
New customer.
Type equal to new customer. That's it.
Okay.
So you
Variable.
have to declare. See, you have to declare these things, right? Top, you have to declare. Variables you have to declare. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this we declare. No, same way you have to declare stage name is a string. Okay. Stage name string you need to take. Close date you take. Date data type. And type is a string. After that system.debug of close date and type you have to print. For printing purpose,
Date and how can you write date variable as a date, comma closed data. Date system dot today no.
Close date. See, let me write.
Okay.
This previous program, right? And this one, date, close date. Okay.
Okay.
And string.
It's okay. Fine, sir. Fine.
Got it?
Yeah. Fine.
Right. Stage name, comma.
Type
You have to declare.
Okay.
Fine. Anyone having any issues? Yesterday's programs, everyone able to understand, right?
Yes,
Basic programs only I'm
Yes,
giving. The small to big we have to go. Simple to complex. You have to learn.
Sir, if else done, sir.
Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Tamil.
Can you share the screen?
Yeah.
The questions I will give, answers I want to get from you people. Answers most of the time I want to get from you. Okay,
Sir, is it
that
visible?
that is the expectations. Okay, show me the program. Can you expand it? This one, window. Just
Yeah.
drag it. No, drag it. What you did. Right. So what you did here,
I given city
city,
as
string city, Bangalore you given, directly Bangalore you hard coding, decimal salary and bonus you are giving. Okay. Then you are checking city equal to Hyderabad. So again one why if condition you wrote. Again why if condition. If else, right? I told if else condition. Remove that line. Line number 9 completely remove.
Second is 9th one.
Completely line number 9 completely remove. See the requirement is right. The requirement what I given. If city is equal to Bangalore, then set this one 50 and 5. Other than Hyderabad, whatever the case, it will go to else part. It should go to else part. See, there you set it city equal to Bangalore, but the condition you are checking Hyderabad. Let it be. That is correct only. See, whatever the case, if or else condition part, it will display. You got my point. If city equal to Hyderabad, there also line number 1 also Hyderabad. If you give 50,000 and 5,000, we will get answer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If other cities remaining else part, it will go. Everyone clear? You are able to execute this program. Can you show me again? Just minimize it.
Yeah.
Minimize is not coming.
Yes. I'll close this.
Just drag and you can drag down
Okay.
window. You can expand actually. Okay. Double click on the log file.
Yes.
Right. So what is the expectation? 30 and 10. Why 30 and 10 else part is executing? That's what your concentration.
Yeah.
Which part is executing? Because of what? That's what the concentration. Main focus.
Sir,
Because
and one more doubt, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, whatever
Open the
we
program window.
yeah. Sir,
Right,
actually it's deleting automatically, sir. Yesterday I typed 5.
Yes,
Given
it will
5.
delete. You have to take the backup.
Sir, how, sir? In
Copy. No. Here the window, whatever the window, complete thing copy. Select it first. Control C.
I copied, sir.
Open Notepad.
Okay. Sir, yesterday I have saved.
Open Notepad. There you can copy. Give some line in between the programs.
Yeah.
Right. Like that you have to take the backup. There it will not save. Because every time we will change the programs right here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The current one only it will be active. The remaining and all it will not. Others can able to do. Any difficulty you are facing, just let me know. The remaining. Marnath, Vignesh, Abin, Alex, 2 times logged in. Alex 2 times logged in. Nike. Everyone able to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give second one? First one, everyone clear? Second
Yes,
example, shall I give? Okay, good.
Yes.
Second one right now. Example 2. If else condition, example 2. If industry, let me write another pane. No? Here congested is there. Let me take. Write down and try once. Okay. See here, what is the requirement? If industry is energy, then set a rating as hot, ownership as a public. If industry is other than energy, then rating is warm and ownership as a private. Just complete this one.
So fine, sir.
Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let others also complete. We will wait 2 more minutes.
So done, sir.
Can anyone share the screen and show me what you wrote? Can anyone share the screen and show me? Yeah. So what you did? So industry rating, ownership are the thing values. Unmute. Unmute. Industry rating, ownership. Okay. Not able to talk.
Yes, sir, again, sir.
Industry, what you given? SUN, no?
Industry sun.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Industry, what I given in the requirement? Okay. Okay. Other than energy.
If industry is energy, yes, sir.
Right. Right. Other than energy you given. If you set line number 2 as energy, then heart and public will print. Correct? Heart and public will
Yes,
print.
sir.
Can you remove
Yes,
that
sir.
white spaces, everything? Can you remove white spaces? Why that much gap given? Line number 3 and 4. Here also just drag this side, 5 and 6. Just remove that white spaces, that's it. Right, it should be proper, okay? Right, here also white space is there. Line number 12 also remove. Right, now it's perfect. Industry energy given, if you are cross-checking industry equal to energy, else rating and ownership you are setting as a warm and private. So you are printing rating and ownership, right? So everyone able to understand, first of all?
yes, yes.
Everyone able to understand? Amma? Right, right. Perfect. Let me share my screen. Any doubt? Any doubt in this program? Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Fine, fine.
Hello, sir. I can't understand, sir.
You cannot understand. 1 minute. Can you share again? Vignesh, can you share again? Otherwise, have you tried, Alex? Have you wrote the
Sir, I found out why, sir, industry is equal to sun.
industry sun means, see, just the condition he is giving. So you can give anything. Industry,
Anything.
education, industry, anything we can set it. But when if condition will execute, that is the important point you have to observe. When if condition will execute, heart and public when it will print, in which case heart and public will print, can you tell me? The line number 2 and 3, line number 2 and 3, if it is matching, here also energy is there, then it will go to if condition part. If rating equal to heart and ownership equal to public, it will set. You are getting my point, Alex?
Okay.
Right? If other than, that's why simply given sun, you can give education or any other thing also. Then always where it will go? Condition will go to else part. Condition will go to else part. Rating and ownership it will set as a warm and private. Still any confusion? Still any confusion? Respond, Amma. Alex,
No, sir.
understood or not?
Understood.
Okay. What you understood, can you tell me?
if if industry is energy, then said we have to gradually we have to if industry equal to energy, then we have to implement the set rating is equal to hot and ownership is to public.
No, your doubt is industry Y given SUN. That one you cleared
Huh?
or not?
Industry
given line number 2, industry given SUN. Why we given in SU? What is the reason? That's what your question actually.
Yeah.
You cleared that one?
That's my sir will tell you we have to implement anything in on that.
Yeah. You can write anything, but the condition always will go to else part. Exactly if you give energy, line number 2, if you give energy, then if the condition will go to where hot and public we will get. Output we will get as hot and public. Is this clear? Need to respond quickly.
Clear.
Right. Let me share my screen. There is a delay in my voice. Anyone facing problem? Network issue?
No.
It's responding very slow. That's why I got doubt. Next heading of functions. Functions in program, Apex programming. Functions in Apex programming. Functions. See here, generally, where we will write the functions. Functions we will write in the class. Functions we will write in the class. What is class? Everything we are going to discuss deeply later point of time. Timing, you remember where we will write the functions. Functions we will write in the classes. Functions we will write in the classes. How we will write? I will show one example. See, I have a class, public class. Class keyword we have to use. If you want to declare a class, customer, open bracket, close bracket. So this is one class because you are using a class keyword. To declare a class, we are using class keyword. Public, private, global, this and all access modifier. If I don't want you, we can remove also. But class should be there. Class keyword should be there. Class keyword should be there. Right. Your class contains what are all information it contains? Variables, methods, nothing but functions. Methods are functions same. Methods are functions same. So different name. Sometimes I will use method. Sometimes I will call function. Don't confuse. Method or function same. Method or function same. Same concept. So variables, methods, everything present in the where? In the class. In the class. Class is a collection. Class is a collection. It contains variables, methods, or functions. Everyone clear this point? It is a collection of members. It is a collection of members. Everyone clear? What is class? Class is a collection. Class is a collection. Class is a collection. What it contains? Collection. It contains variables. It contains methods. Multiple methods, variables. Everyone clear? Constructors also it contains constructors. What is constructor? We have a separate topic is that constructors. So your class is a collection. I can say class is a collection. Class is a collection of members. Class is a collection of members. Everyone clear? Class contains variables, methods, constructors, destructors, all these things. So in that, variables, you know how to declare a variable, you know, right? How to declare a variable, you know. Now we will see functions. How many types of functions we have? How many types of functions we have? First of all, what is function? What is functions? The function is a group of statements. I can say group of function is a group of statements. It's a group of statements wrapped together to perform particular task. What we are telling? A function is a group of statements to perform a particular task. Everyone clear? Main heading function, you put functions in Apex. Main heading. Write down. Function is a group of statements. First point, function is a group of statements. Wrapped together. Wrapped together to perform particular task. To perform particular task. Functions are present in the class. Next point. Are present in the class. Functions are present in the class. What is class and all we will see anyway. If you want, you can write class is a collection of members. 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 Can you please mute them if you are not talking? Functions are classified into 4 types. Functions are classified into 4 types. Functions are classified into 4 types. 1. Write down. Without a return type, and without parameter. Without return type and without parameters. Second type. Everyone completed writing part? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Right. So there are 4 types of functions we have. Okay. So without return type, without parameters. First set. So without return type, with parameters, with return type, without parameters, with return type and with parameters. Got it? So 4 different types of functions we will use in the entire programming. So we'll see first type how it will be. The first type we will see now. Write down. So syntax I will give. Syntax. Void. We have to use void. Function name. Void function name. Void function name. Void function name. So here we will write the statements. Statements. Void function name. Here we have to write statements. Inside we will write the statements. So examples we will see. Some examples. Number 1. Create a function. Sorry, create a method. Create a method. Create a method show. I will write how we have to declare this one. Void show method brackets open brace close brace. Open brace close brace. Everyone got it? How to write? How to declare a method for this requirement? Everyone clear? Amma?
Yes.
Next write down. Second one write down. Create a method. Deposit. Create a method deposit. How we will create? How we will create?
Void
Void
deposit.
void deposit. Void deposit. Open brace close brace. Void deposit open brace close brace. Number 3, example number 3. Create a method. Create a method. Withdraw. Create a method withdraw. Remember. Even we can use public global that words also. Public void. It is in the class. This will be in the class. Here directly method we are writing. Actually this is in the class. So what is the method name? Withdraw. There is no parameters. There is no return type. That one also we will see how it will be. Number 4. create a method. Create a method. Create a method display. Void.
Void.
Void. Open brace, close brace. Number 5. Invoke. Method invoke. Create a method invoke. Void invoke. Void invoke. So what is the second type? Second type we have without return type with parameters. Without return type with parameters. Second type of functions. Second type of functions. Syntax. Syntax. Void function name. Brackets we have to pass parameters. Brackets we have to pass parameters. Parameters. Inside we will write the statements. Example 1. Create a method. Show. Create a method show. Create a method show with name, age as a parameters. Write down this one. Completed, ma? Tell me, anyone, how you are writing? Void.
Bracket.
Void. What is the method name?
So,
So
Parameters name.
Days.
Sorry.
Names and age.
Name. Name.
Name and age.
Name, comma, age. Two parameters we are taking. Open brace, close brace. Data type also we have to give. Data type also we have to give. Okay. Integer name and age. Integer name and age. Two parameters we have to give. So here we are trying to print the values. So system.debug of single quotes. Name is S operator I'm using. I'm appending with the variable. The normal context variable. What is the variable name? Name. One more plus I'm giving. Single quotes. Age is here plus age. Everyone clear? Like this you have to. So just you are trying to print the values. You are trying to print the values. See here void method is a void. It is not contains any return method. But you are passing two parameters in this method. Two parameters you are passing. So how to execute this one we will see once. Okay, programmatically. The application, how we will do this example. So this writing part everyone completed, just confirm me.
Yes, sir.
For this what I am doing, I connected to developer console. So everyone connect to developer console. Everyone connect to developer console. Yesterday we created one test class. One test class we created yesterday. Previous class I think. Apex class we have to create. First step is Apex class we have to create. How to create Apex class? Openforce.com. Go to file. Click on new. Click on Apex class. Click on Apex class. Give the name of the class. Give the name of the class. Any name, employee, customer, project details, invoice, anything you can give. Everyone clear? Now it will create the class. Public class, class name, open bracket, close bracket. This method we are writing here. What kind of method it is? What kind of method? Second type, right? Second type of method. Let me copy it here. Without return type and with parameters. Without return type with parameters. Return type with parameters. Everyone clear? Writing completed. Write down in the application, everyone. See, this is one class. In a class, we have created a method. What type of method it is? Without return type with parameter method. Without return type with parameters. That means while executing this program, you have to pass the values. While executing this program, you have to pass the values. How to pass, I will show you. How to execute. Up to here, everyone complete, just confirm me. Then I will go to the next step. Why today very less members? Ugadi, Ugadi effect.
Maybe, sir.
Tomorrow also class is there. Tomorrow also there. Then regular classes, there is no break until complete your development. Regular classes will be there. No breaks. You can celebrate your Yugadi, Sriramnavami, everything, and once you get the job. Once you get the job, you celebrate all the festivals one shot. Okay. Hope everyone clear up to here, up to this everyone completed. Then open anonymous window. Create a class object. We will create a class. We are calling the class. I am going to call this class test class obj equal to new test class. What exactly these things we are going to cover next later point of time. Timing, just we are checking this method. So how to create a class object. The class name, object name, new keyword we will use. Again class name. Again class name we will use. So obj dot method name we will call. The method name is show method. We have to pass two parameters in this. First one is a string parameter, that is, so I'm passing Knox, comma, age, integer value 32 I'm passing. So it will go this method, it will go to this method, and it will assign Knox to name variable, and 32 to age, 32 to age. Then it will try to print. So name is Knox, age is 32, like that. It will try to print. So here what I will do, some space I will in between. Between some space we will give. Otherwise it will, the complete sentence will merge. Let me execute, and first we will check whether this is executing or not. Some problem, signature void show string type class. what it is telling, method does not exist in correct signature, void show. String integer. Integer spelling is the problem. That is the problem. Spelling mistake. Okay. Let me save. So we have to save this one. Okay. Here it will display star and all. Now it is saved. Now it will execute. So we got the file. Debug only. See, this is the output. Name is Knox. Age is 32. Everyone clear? Amma? Everyone clear?
Yes.
This is the output. Execute and show me. You also. So these two. You have to write these sentences in these lines in the anonymous window, and this one in the Apex class. This is the Apex class. If you're unable to execute, just confirm me. Everyone able to execute? Everyone able to execute? Everyone able to execute or not?
No, sir.
Sir, shall I share the screen? What is it?
Yeah.
Showing error.
Share me.
Yes. Is it visible, sir?
Yes. 1 minute. I'm checking. Class project. Public void show. String integer age. Debug name. Okay. You're passing 2 parameters from here. But here, see, in the anonymous window, line number 1, what is the class name you given?
Project.
Project. But you are calling test class. That is the problem. Project you give. In the window, anonymous window, you call project only. Same name you have to give. Here also. New keyword. After new keyword also, project. Obj.show. Method is show. Now it will exist. Double click on that. Debug only. Getting right? Name is
Yes,
Knox,
thank you.
age is 32. See, everything is merged. Knox and age showing as one word. That's why you have to give in the program small space. Right. What about others? What about others? You're able to execute? Getting correctly?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir,
Right.
getting error.
Show. Share the screen. And share the screen. Who is that? Who is getting error? Yeah, Vignesh. Just 1 minute. Test 1. Test 11. Class name is test 11 you given. Public void
Yes, sir.
show name integer age is perfect and everything is good. Test 11 obj dot show. You're passing 2 parameters. Correct. Execute them. Everything look like everything is no issues. You save the one first. Class you have to save. Class you have to save. No. Here, just put the cursor in anywhere. The class cursor you put. Control C.
Okay.
Control C. Control C. Control C. Saving.
Control S.
Control C. No. Don't select. Don't select.
Control S, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sorry. Control S. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
By mistake. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now
Open that one.
Okay, sir.
What
Okay,
about
okay.
others? Everyone able to execute? So everyone clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me give another example. Amma. Let me give another example. Second example. Create a method. Create a method. Deposit. Create a method deposit with amount as parameter. Amount as parameter. Amount as a parameter. See how to create this one? How to create? So we will create a class, public class void, public class customer, open brace, close brace, open brace, close brace. Screen is not visible. I think I didn't share the screen. Okay. Public class customer. Public class customer. So one method I am writing here. Void. Public void. Deposit. Public void deposit. So what is the parameter? Amount, right? Decimal. Amount. Open brace, close brace, right? System.debug. Just we are printing the value. Amount is so this parameter variable we will call. Just we are printing the variable. How to call this one? How to call this method? How to call this method? What is the class name here? Anonymous window you have to write like this. Customer obj equal to new customer. Obj dot, what is the method name? Deposit. Deposit of some number I am passing, so it will print. It will print. Third one. So I'll give you one more example. You can try this one and show me in the next tomorrow class. Create a method. Calculate with amount, rate, comma, years as parameters. Create a method, calculate with amount, rate, years as parameters, and interest. Find the interest. The same style we have to create a void method. It is a void method, but you are passing parameters. So to find out the interest, So to find the interest, what is the formula? Interest equal to, just I will give the clue.
PTR by 100.
Amount in, yeah, PTR by 100. Amount into, just I will give the basic idea. Rate into years. Divided by 100. This formula you have to use, okay? And variables, amount, rate, year, everything you have to create. The variables. This formula you can utilize. This formula you can utilize.